Good morning.
Good morning.
It is such a pleasure to be here.
No, I'm just thrilled to be here.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Welcome to Fed Supernova.
Welcome to Fed Supernova.
Fed Supernova. Coming to you live from the music capital of the world, Austin, Texas.
I do fundamentally believe that it's important for us to continue to have these types of events. I'd really like to thank Capital Factory and really to having the courage to try something totally new.
I'm really excited to be kicking off this unique event around defense innovation, where we're going to bring together entrepreneurs and investors, corporations, government, academia, to have collective conversations on how we move forward.
We have a location at the Capital Factory because that's where we're going to connect with those startups.
Take advantage of diversity. I believe that diversity yields greater innovation.
I think it's a great opportunity to bring great technologists into this world, working on things where literally technology can save lives.
Continue to remain open-minded. Continue to think about how we're going to just experiment and try something new, because that's what innovation is about.